Apple just released iOS and iPadOS 13.1.2. Let's talk about it. What's up everyone, it's Jason here with Red Bee Labs and welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, we provide in-depth review and unboxing for all tech. If this interests you, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new tech videos we release. Well, okay. Back to back, we're throwing out these updates. Apple's finding these bugs or getting them reported to them, and they're finding them, squashing them quick. You know, like I said in my last video, I'm glad. I want them to come in, fix everything, you know, and make everything great. You know, as a developer myself, you know, I know, hey, sometimes things happen, and you know, you overlooked something that you thought you checked a million times, and you know, or someone did something different, and they found a bug. You know what? Own up on it. Go fix it, release the update. Here's what Apple has to say about these updates. Fixes a bug where the progress bar for iCloud backups could continue to show even if it's a successful backup. Fixes an issue with the camera where it may not work. Addresses an issue where the flashlight might not even activate. Fixes a bug that could result in a loss of display calibration. Fixes an issue where shortcuts may not be able to run on HomePod. It addresses an issue with Bluetooth where it may just keep connecting when it's in your vehicle. As for iPadOS, it fixes a bug where the progress bar for iCloud backups, you know, same one, where the progress bar goes through and it's already successful, but it keeps on going like it's not. And it fixes an issue where shortcuts cannot be run on the HomePod as well. Again, like I said before, I'm glad Apple's throwing out these updates and fixes. It actually makes me like them a little more. It makes me respect them a little bit more, that they're going to go out there and just fix what needs to be fixed. Don't wait, don't try to hide, don't try to blame other people, just fix what needs to be fixed. Before you go, if you found value in this video, please smash that like button and leave me a comment or two. It really helps me and the channel out. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.